quick. We're gonna quickly go, and we're gonna go quickly. It's gonna work, and it's gonna be bigly. We're gonna get somewhere. Everywhere. We're gonna go down there and get everywhere. I wanna make rhymes, but I'm not good at this. Okay, so essentially, I've discovered that Task Warrior is essentially the best, like, thing possible. Wait, what the... Okay, so... Okay, this is task time. Task Warrior. Okay, I have like 50 fucking tabs. Task... Okay. This is fine. Task Warrior. Hello, Nico Pixels. Nico Pixel Z. You're like a Gen Z. Haha. So Task Warrior is essentially a really good to-do software, and it's in fucking C++. And you're like, okay, so let's get it working on fucking Windows. To get it fucking working on Windows, you need to install a bash on Ubuntu on Windows 10 to fucking get Task Warrior to work on Windows. That essentially means we need to download fucking Ubuntu from Canonical and get it fucking working on Windows 10, because there's no fucking way to otherwise get it working on this stupid piece of shit. That means instead of using console, you have to be using fucking Ubuntu 10, which is a completely different partition, which means I can't actually have like tasks stored on the partition on Windows. Instead, it's on like a random fucking other partition. It's like I'm dual booting. I might as well just like fucking install the entirety of Ubuntu just to get it working on this thing. It's stupid. So instead of doing that, I'm like, okay, so I'm just gonna look at the documentation and literally copy this entire fucking program step by step and get it and just make a copy of this on Windows. That's the plan. Yeah, it's let's see. So, and this program is only 1,600 lines, or is it 16,000 lines? Is there an actual, like, is there any plans to make this work on Windows? Markdown? Yeah, that's probably useful. Okay. Okay, so, basically, I guess I'm going to be going step by step to, try to figure this out, and it's going to be really great. Who is this? You're seriously asking who this is, because, you know, fuck. So, like I was, who is this? You're asking who this is? Fucking! You're asking who this is? Well, clearly, you know this is- Oh, look at that! That genuinely made me happy. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna be copying this fucking syntax and kind of going with it. That looks kind of complicated. That's scary. So wait, actually, quick question: why is this showing Discord? Why is this showing Discord? Why do you have a window capture in Discord on scene 1? I don't know. So I need to actually open up my command little center, because I actually didn't even open it up. It's also really great because if I actually want to get like Task Warrior working on this program, I'm going to have... Okay. Okay, where is it? So I would need to then download Ubuntu Bash Canonical, Ubuntu's Bash by Canonical. So it'll be a one sort of like command center, command prompt bullshit. Then I have the command prompt by Windows. Then I have the admin command prompt, which is actually a different type of command prompt. Then I also have the GitHub bash.exe, because you know GitHub also needs a command prompt. And then I have Visual Studio's command prompt, which is just using whatever your basic command prompt is. Then I also have it's not Bionicle, it's Canonically Bionicle, bitch. And then I also have PowerShell. So I have like fucking four fucking things already before even installing this stupid fucking shit. Why can't they just make it work on Windows? Why do they? Why can't they just fucking make it working for Windows? Jesus Christ! Is there like any like better alternative? Actually, there might be honestly an alternative. Would you like to speak to the president? I fucking would, dude. Task Warrior Windows alternative. Is there actually a good alternative to this? Yeah, I've heard other people like using something else, but fucking hell. Org habit is just actually like basically markdown for habits. At least that's what I got about it in 2 seconds. So why actually use like fucking? Why actually develop like? Why use software wherein you can just develop your own? I'm actually not even trying to like type in cynicism in parallel. Hello question mark, sad face question mark. Oh, this thing. Okay, we're slightly a bit too big. That's what she said. No, this is fine. This is fine. You know. Bam. Oh, look at that. Oh, bam. Right there. Oh, bam, what yeah. So, okay, now I'm changing the size of the chat, and it's not actually going to change the size of it, because that chat is just using web server. Lol. LOL. Sometimes I just like to be, like, stupid. You feel me? You ever just feel me? You feel me inside? And I tried using Blessed for a little bit in terms of creating a sort of prompt thing, and then I tried to use it and I fucking hated it, so I guess I'm not going to use it. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna look at it and try to figure out. I haven't even installed it on this computer just because it's so much of a pain in the ass to get it to work for Windows. Jesus. Just like read this. Cygwin is not supported anymore. Please use the Windows subsystem for Linux to use Task Warrior on Windows. That just sounds difficult. That just sounds difficult. Like, why fucking make it that challenging? That's Airtable API. That's this is a great study. I actually was going to read. What a great programming stream. Hey, wanna just read a fucking, like, document? Okay, much better. I have music called That's the Soundtrack. It's like, oh, this is the soundtrack. Fuck you, Tanner. Fuck you. Actually, what you want to hear some like some real music?
You and your team need to get things done. With Monday.com, it's easy, fun, and simple. Just add the workflow that suits you. Whether you're
Wait, I got a joke. I have a joke. Give me a second. I have a joke. I have a joke. I have a joke right now. I'm gonna show you a joke. I've got a joke. I've got a joke. I've got a joke. I'm gonna show you a joke. You ready for this joke? I got a joke. I've got a joke. Hello. Hello, Dame Monwe. Dame Monwe. Zimonwe. Okay, so let's just copy their syntax. Make the hat bigger. Okay, okay, okay. This also needs a hat, so there we go. Oh wait, I could make this kind of transparent actually, and actually keep it like that. Yeah, I have no idea how to actually do that in OBS. Properties? Yep, you know, that's fine, that's fine. I like it that way, huh? Okay. So, their essential syntax is task, which is just referring to whatever program. This is actually, okay. That's actually a useful system. I wonder if I can even do something like that, if I have a reasonable method. So what are commands? List, modify, show. What's miscellaneous? Okay, yeah, I can make it work. So basically, what's my what's my current setup? Oh yeah, I broke it. I forgot. Whoopsies. Okay, so basically right over here, there's options. So I have two commands right now. Name and likes pizza. Because I'm using a program called Yargs Interactive. You know, I'm gonna listen to it again. So let's see. I'm using. Actually, let me just try to fucking find it first before I spend 30 minutes looking for it. So let's see. You know what's really hilarious? The actual program I'm using to read my prompt is called okay, I have to make it like slightly smaller. This is okay, so this is the actual program I'm using. Ooh. I'm excited. There's just so many things I can do. I wonder if the... So I'm using two. One is called Yargs Interactive, one is called Yargs. Is everything Yargs? Fuck, I can't use that? Oh well. Wait, what? The fuck? Why is it saying true? Okay, the default is a robot. What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait, that makes no sense. You're telling me iWorks. iWorks? Where the fuck does input doesn't work? Is it name? Oh, it's called name. Okay, no, it's not. 2? Do I need 2? Yes, I do need 2. Okay. Cool, so it's working. Okay, so let's quickly just look at what commands I want to have up. I wonder how I want to actually store anything. I actually didn't even fucking think about that. Yeah, this is going to be a bit more difficult than I would originally think. So let's see. They have filters, so anything with a plus is immediately a filter. Oh, 12 can also be a filter. The fuck? I wonder how they... Okay. Whatever, so... Yeah, it doesn't matter that much. I'll assume plus minus are just filters for mine. 12, whatever. Fuck you and your 12. Go fuck yourself with your goddamn fucking 12. Actually, no. No, task modify 12. Okay. I'm retarded, actually. So what are all the commands? So what are all the commands by Task Warrior? Add. Okay, so let's just get task add and task start, task stop. Let's also quickly look at the API on Yarg's. You know, I'm actually going to skip that. I'm just going to start with start. LOL. Okay, so I really have no idea what Yargs is actually, so I'm kind of learning on the fucking spot. Input. Describe is for helping. Default is whatever the normal thing is. Type. So what are all the possible types? So there's one input, one confirm. What is that? Type. Okay, so it's all by inquirer. Take type, name, message. Wait, where are all the fucking types? Okay, type, name, message, choices. Okay, I'm a little bit confused. Ooh, that's actually pretty cool. Oh, okay. I'm just being stupid. So there's expand. There's list. Raw list. Wait, what's the difference between list and raw list? Just numbers? Okay. Expand. Okay, it's just that shit. Okay, whatever. And let's see, next one, checkbox, which is the one I thought was cool. Confirm, yes, no. Yes, no. Input is same line. Password is just hidden. Okay, so what do I actually want? Input right now. I will be the very best of all the widow pirates. Woohoo! Hee hee! Haha! Oh hee! Do I have chalk on this? Chalk, do I have some chalk? I'm not sure if I should want York's Interactive now. It just seems to be more complicated for no reason right now. Oh, fuck it. I'm not making it interactive. This shit is way too complicated for me right now. Not complicated as in, oh shit, I'm retarded and I can't handle it, but more complicated as in I don't want to even think about it right now. I still am retarded, don't worry. Start a task. What do you mean Yargs isn't defined? Yes, it isn't defined, damn it. What is it? Is it actually? Excusez-moi. Okay. Let's just actually call this ARG. Stark gives me nothing. Okay. Spudgy, this is getting... Like, in my mind, this is just getting more and more complex. What am I fucking hearing from them? What am I hearing from my fucking dumbass roommates? Let's see, oh my god, this is getting stupid. Okay. I just really want to get like a fucking... just... really nail the fucking... this shit first. Before I'm doing like the interesting stuff. Mainly because this shit is gonna really impact doing everything else later. So I'm just gonna actually fucking read through it and go slowly. And figure out an actually nice way. So, what's the difference between an option and a command? I guess it's the first question I have. Because the option is that it takes all of this shit and throws it in here. So then can I... Okay, option is just like qualification towards a command. Would be an easy way to put it. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of loud enough. So that essentially adds that qualification. Yeah, I'm fucking lowering this hat. It's pissing me off. Okay, coerce, synchronous function to coerce or transform the values given on the command line for a key. What? The fuck does that mean? What's an example of that? Is this going alphabetically? Okay, that's one way to go about it. Not in order of importance, but alphabetically. Ugh. Okay. Yep, I need to view the more complicated stuff. I'll kind of look at this first. I'm reading this and some of this is like fucking gibberish. I just need to like see examples of this fucking working. Because like some of these are like higher level, some of these are lower level, and they're all mushed together. I'm pretty sure config is clearly high level. Completion I think is high level, but maybe...
Hey, it's Rosalia. Check out my album El Mal Querer in the new YouTube Music app.
Okay. Some of these are high level, some of these are low level. It's just like confusing the fuck out of me. Okay, and then there's also something apparently positional. The fuck is a positional? I don't understand what a positional is. Why do they... What is a positional? Can someone give me a description of a positional? Hey, I saw that positional yesterday. Can you guys stop fucking clapping and at least like start playing fucking music? Sorry, I couldn't resist. I'm gonna make a function for that eventually, just have it like jump. That's kind of off pitch. Okay, this seems to be what I need. That seems to be a correct way of going about it, but Jesus, it's so... I wish they just made this like obvious, a little bit more clear in terms of how am I supposed to actually use this. Like, yeah, it's a bit my fault for like just trying to get it to work, but Jesus Christ. Like, I'm just trying to fucking read and see an example of what should it at least look like. Node index.js. Does H sure help? Is that an actual help menu? No, it's not. H is not equal to help, I guess. I need to type out the full help. Okay, cool. That's something. Hi Spark. Your name sparks up some memories. Haha. I came in there like a monkey with a wrench, and I fixed that wrench. I wrenched that problem. You're a wrench. You're a hench. You're a wrenchman instead of a henchman. Am I actually, by the way, not in the console? No, I'm not. Also, I want to hear the pirate song again. I like the pirate song. It's a nice song, dude. Got some pirates in there. In the actual command thing is also pirate themed, so I'm like, hell yeah, it works. Okay. So there's a builder, there's a handler, let's just keep saying things I don't quite understand. Last time you were here, I was playing Hanzo in Overwatch comp. Yeah, everything has changed. Hanzo became meta and I quit the game. Besides wasting time, creating programs to stop myself from wasting time, and wasting time as I'm doing that. The whole point about this is essentially just to create a database where I see how much time I waste. So for example, like this is really like what I'm kind of trying to create, so that I can say, ooh, he did something at this time and did this task, I don't know, like today, and let's add like a minute. So that means I spent zero time from 3:48 and 3:49. Clearly this fucking program is fucking optimized. Can I say 50? 3:59. Come on. It's saying negative 948. How the fuck can I end a task? Okay, it's 3:48 p.m. to 3:59 p.m. You're telling me, okay, that's it. Yes, there we go. 10. Let's say completed during that time, and I spent that amount of time doing math homework. What I'm essentially trying to do is then being like, okay, so how much fucking time did I spend on math? What the fuck is MC again? Okay, so I spent 10 minutes doing math, 10 minutes in math in total from when the thing first started. Basically trying to figure out where I spend more time. Yes, I do remember someone calling me Cyromaxi, and I'm like, wow. Ouch, man. Ouch, my mom. Ouch, my dudes. Try making a game. Actually kind of made a game using, what is it? P5.js? Actually, I saw like another YouTuber, programming YouTuber that just like made a game in like 30 minutes. What is it? Snake eating game. It's actually pretty incredible how quickly he made that. The man's like, oh, he's just like. And then he just like made the game that quickly. What a man. What an individual. Okay, so where am I at right now? I've got this shit, and I'm still trying to figure out how to use this. So back to reading. What an entertaining stream. This man's just reading for 20 minutes, trying to figure out how to fucking make this goddamn bullshit work. Okay. How do I make options only for a command? I think that's the next question. Oh, go play that game. It's not dead yet. I'll see you later. With the hat game, the game of hats. There's hats in that game. It's primarily described as the game of hats. Until the A Hat game came out, and then there was another hat game. I can talk all day about hats. Okay. That does something. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day yourself. Have an excellent day, man. Have a fan-friggity-tastic day. Script name... Okay, this seems to be useful to read for 2 seconds. Option, oh, tis a mighty fine option. Require yard, haha. Locale pirate. Test JS run foo. Shiver Me Timbers is an example for yeah. Oh boy, callbacks. Okay, that stops ambiguity. Holy fuck. That's a lot of text. Okay, I think I slightly don't understand what I'm doing, and which is a little bit better than before, where I completely didn't understand what I'm doing. Damn, it's fucking warm in here. Even though it's like snowy outside. What a discrepancy that truly is. Command. Oh man, okay. So, let's see, where are we at right now? Value, true. Excusez-moi. Optional, required, positional. Required is that, optional is that, okay. Hmm. Okay. That changes the game slightly. I like how I wasn't showing like half of it, but that's fine. Positional source. Can I actually do that myself? The thing is that this is so fucking flexible that I don't know how to apply to this. There's like 30 fucking things. I'm genuinely like struggling figuring where I'm applying what and when. Right? Like, I'm genuinely, like, struggling to figure out when am I applying where. Fucking making this hat smaller. I'm feeling disappointed. The more smaller the hat is, the more disappointed I am. More confused I am. Okay. Like, their command thing seems so fucking flexible. It's like doing 30 fucking things at the same fucking time. That I don't fucking understand it. It's more flexible than a fucking gymnast. It's gonna start doing Pilates at any fucking point. Here, I'm gonna try to do something, and if it breaks, it breaks. If it works, then, well, I guess it worked for some reason. Do you have that task? Okay. That, so far it's working. Can I say type? Okay. 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 Okay, it's a number. It's a number. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what happens when I'm like, start pinatas. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? It's gonna say it's not working. That's good. That's good. It didn't give me an error message, but that's okay. 2? Fuck yeah. It's doing shit. It's comprehending things. You have a cold. Well, now I started. Why is your name 2012 Volkswagen CC Sport PZ? You have a cold, Mr. 2012 Volkswagen CC Sport PZ. Well, that's quite unfortunate, Mr. 2012 Volkswagen 2012 Volkswagen CC Sports PZ. That's quite unfortunate that you have a cold, Mr. 2012 Volkswagen CC Sport. I'm just trying to figure out in how many different ways can I say Volkswagen 2012 Volkswagen CC Sport I can possibly say. Let's see. So, what's kind of annoying though is that it should give me an error message, and it didn't give me an error message. It's just being like a little fucking bitch. Because let's see. I should have. Okay, that was a lot of text right there, and honestly, I didn't read it. Okay, so that's literally just to define aliases. You work with PowerShell in your college, but I forgot what most of the PowerShell? PowerShell didn't have a programming language. That's not a real programming language. A real programming language is the one you suffer with.
Hi, this is Josh from 21 Pilots. Listen to our new album Trench featuring My Blood. Now on the YouTube Music app.
If I could go to that ad, I would like add a comment and say like, fuck you, Josh. Fuck you, Josh. Okay. So, first it's in English. Pretty sure this is Japanese, then this is Russian. Евро не вонь. Fantastic. I love how like some people just like, why did you like this comment? Why did you like this is a one-word comment. This is a one-word comment. You're like, fuck this guy. This guy. Look at how much attention this guy put into his comment, and you're like, no, fantastic. It's better. You're like, oh yeah, fuck yeah, fantastic. Oh yeah, I like this. I like this. And like this guy, fuck that guy. Wait, you literally skipped over. You skipped over. There we go. Here's a comment. You're skipping this one. Fuck you. He's just skipping like. Fantastic. Why do you think YouTube's bad now? I think YouTube's basically the same as it's always been. This is, by the way, what I'm trying to fucking replicate, because they're like, oh yeah, let's make it really fucking complicated for Windows. You need to get fucking Bash on Ubuntu on Windows 10 to be able to use this program. Are you fucking kidding me? All of this is just C#. Oh my Jesus fucking Christ. I'm just getting mad thinking about it. Is this reactional? No, this is just the advanced section of it, which means it's really fucking stupidly complicated. Wait, command, is that just saying? What? Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Oh, good luck with your cold. Just getting like some cheddar. And just you know how you like have like a cheddar, like a cheese like scraper. Just use your throat as the scraper. And just like squeeze out some cheddar. The fuck is that? It exists in JavaScript now, you can just say it. I had no fucking idea. No idea what the fuck this is supposed to do. What? I'm just reading this and slowly getting more and more confused. I'm legitimately getting more and more confused. Okay, yeah, seems like I basically read through all of that. And, really don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so describe... type number. Shouldn't handler actually tell? Also, what the fuck is with that? Why is it like sideways? Dude, no sideways bullshit over here. Oh wait, is it gonna break now? Yep. Okay, how do I require the option? Wait, can I say required? True. Demand option might be it. Yeah, maybe that's it. I don't know, maybe that's gonna work. No, maybe not. Okay. I just pulled up some stuff. There we are. Boobadee-da. Describe. I'm not sure why I'm reading describe.